Exception, a response that indicates a difference between information requested to be confirmed or contained in the entity's record and information provided by the confirming party. So there is a response. There's a difference between what is there in the books and what you have received as a confirming balance from the party. It's an exception. Example, they have said in the books, our creditor, we need to pay back to this person amount of 1 lakh rupees. You sent an request, external confirmation of the account balance to the same records to the person. You ask that, sir, what is the outstanding there? How much do I need to pay? You ask the right question, right? And they said this company need us to pay 10 lakhs, not 1 lakh. Wow. It's a material difference. That comes out to the exceptional situation. As per the book, it's 1 lakh, but as per the records of the external party, the creditor, is 10 lakhs. He is stating that you need to pay 10 lakh rupees. So, whether they have purchased more and not shown in the books of account, or the creditor is stating something giving a wrong information. You need to come to a conclusion and speak with the management and come to conclusion of that. This is called exception.